Welcome to the 8th tutorial on Theme A. We will be looking at the barriers there are to respect, prejudice and discrimination, and case studies. Homophobic means fearing or hating LGBTQ people. Inclusive education is schooling that involves everyone, regardless of disability or non-disability. Racism is the idea that some people of different ethnic origins are not as good as others. People treat others badly for all sorts of reasons. Unfair treatment can mean that people don't get jobs or are kept out of clubs, and many other things. There are lots of reasons why people may be discriminated against. Lancaster Youth and Community Service set up a group for LGBTQ young people to help them cope with the homophobic bullying they suffered in school and college. It's a place where they can feel safe and talk about the discrimination they face. Kick It Out is an organization that works on trying to get rid of racism in football. Even in 2019, black footballers have been victims of supporters making monkey noises at them in countries like Italy. The problem is, the football authorities often don't take racism as seriously as they should. Kick It Out put pressure on them to punish clubs with racist fans and make sure racist players are dealt with harshly. In the exam you might be asked to explain what discrimination is, using examples. You might also be asked to explain how groups help beat discrimination.
We go together like Rama Lama Lama, ding 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 dong, remember forever as you walk.